While Russia's stocks are closing in on empty, they had such large numbers from the Soviet Union, making only a fraction left still be hundreds or even thousands of vehicles. But with Russia seemingly trying to push harder and harder during the entire conflict, their losses are also increasing with all kinds of equipment. The only possible way to continue much longer is if they buy more equipment from countries like North Korea. With huge losses being a constant, the end of supplies are getting nearer, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.